Thank you for tuning in for the review of the best products available today. These models were chosen from a large variety of products based on their overall performance and review of thousands of consumers that have purchased them through countless hours of research, side-by-side comparisons. It's believed that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. Please take a moment to follow the product links listed below to each product for more information. Sit back and relax while you watch the best highly recommended products for this year.
This is the Ghoststrike Fixed Blade Deluxe Kit. It comes with an ankle-mounted sheath, which can be worn with either a boot or low-cut shoe. The sheath mounts to a thin neoprene ankle wrap that sits comfortably against your leg. The US 420 high-carbon steel fine-edge drop-point blade is coated in black ceramic to resist corrosion and maintain a low visual profile. Its rubberized overmold handle is diamond textured to give you superior control. The Deluxe Kit's sheath also comes with optional belt loops and can be worn vertically or horizontally in an open carry or low profile manner. At 3.3 inches, the compact skeletal blade is sized for a subtle presence and can be worn without printing. Know your local laws before you decide how to wear this knife. Proudly made in Portland, Oregon, this is the Ghoststrike Deluxe Kit.